Unit 3, muscles and bones. The body performs interaction, which is when you get information from the environment and react to the information. Interaction involves sense organs, the nervous system, and the musculoskeletal system. The musculoskeletal system is made of muscles and bones. Muscles and the skeleton. Here are muscles and here are bones. Did you know that our internal skeleton has 206 bones? Wow! Why do we need a skeleton? The skeleton supports the body and keeps its shape. The skeleton protects internal organs, the heart, brain, and lungs. And the skeleton is connected to muscles that move bones. What are bones made of? Bones are made of bone cells that turn into bone tissue. And what happens when two bones meet? Bones meet at joints. And in some joints, there are elastic tissues called ligaments. Muscles. Muscles are made of muscle cells. And muscles can contract or become shorter and relax and become longer. Muscles contract, get shorter, and relax, get longer to move the body. Some muscles are connected to bones with non-elastic tendons. Let's look at the human skeleton. So there are different shapes of bones. There are long bones. In your book, they say cylindrical bones. There are short bones. We're going to say both of these are examples of short bones, and flat bones. The bones of the head. In the head, there is the frontal bone, the parietal bone, the occipital bone, the temporal bone, the mandible, and the maxilla. Here's the human skeleton, the bones of the human skeleton. The bones of the trunk involve the spinal column, the sternum, and the ribs, which form the rib cage. The trunk, the bones of the trunk, protect the heart and lungs. The bones of the upper extremities involve the arms, hands, and fingers. Each hand has 27 bones, and the bones of the lower extremities involve the feet, involve the legs, the feet, and the toes. Each foot has 26 bones. Let's talk about muscles. All the muscles of the body are part of the muscular system. Muscles move and apply force. There are different types of muscles, long, flat, and circular. Also, there are voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles can be controlled. You can control these muscles. For example, the muscles in the leg. Involuntary muscles. You cannot control these muscles. For example, muscles in the heart. Muscles of the face. The frontal muscles pull eyebrows up. The orbicular eye muscles close eyelids. And the sternocleidomastoid muscles turn the head. The muscles of the trunk involve the trapezius, the pectoral, the deltoid, the abdominal, and the oblique here. The muscles of the arms and legs involve the deltoid. So when the deltoid contracts, it pulls up the arm at the shoulder. The triceps here on the bottom. When the triceps contracts, it extends and straightens the arm. This arm is straight. The gluteal muscles in the back here. The gluteal muscles help you to stand up and walk. The femoral biceps. When the femoral biceps contracts, it bends the leg at the knee. And the calf behind here. When the calf muscles contract, they pull up the back of the feet. The quadriceps. When the quadriceps contracts, it extends and straightens the leg. This leg is straight. And when the biceps contract, it bends the arm at the elbow. Let's talk about joints. Joints, where bones connect. There are 3 types of joints. Fixed joints can't move. For example, the skull. Semi-movable joints can't move very much. For example, vertebrae in the backbone. Movable joints can move a lot. These joints have a tough, flexible tissue called cartilage. An example, the elbow. Muscles often work in pairs. When one muscle contracts, the other relaxes. When one muscle relaxes, the other contracts. Let's talk about some good habits for your musculoskeletal system. Eat foods with calcium, phosphorus, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Do exercise. Try to sleep on your back or on your side. Sit up straight. Bend your knees when picking up heavy things. Wear backpack with both straps. Okay, that's it for Unit 3.